If we see all around in the world the miseries, the horror, the unrest, the frustration, it has taken birth from our consciousness. That is the collective consciousness. We all individuals have individual consciousness. And the like consciousness, no matter wherever they are, they will get collected to that like consciousness. If it is a divine consciousness, it will get connected to the divine consciousness, no matter wherever we are. I, coming from India, will locate the divine consciousness in Nairobi, and all will unite together. The divinity. It will happen automatically. And those who have adopted the devilish path, and logic-wise, many will say we are following the religion, the teachings of religion, and so much of arguments we give. No need to give argument. हर चीज भाव. तेरा religion में तेरा भाव क्या है? I have seen people talking religion, advocating religion in a very angry mood. When there is anger, there has to be devil. There has to be destruction. When there is love, there has to be God. Whenever there is unconditional love, whenever there is peace and tranquility, the God has to be there. Whenever there is criticism, the devil has to be there. Whenever there is a divine acceptance, the God has to be there. Sambhav lekar ke aana. Whenever there is a fear, the fear of other religion, fear of other belief, fear of other faith, the devil has to be there. And whenever there is acceptance for all the religion, all the faith, all the people of different faith, the God has to be there. Everybody is advocating God. Everybody is talking about the Son of God, the Messenger of God, or like God. It's all similarity. The message is Naam Anek, Sabka Malik Ek. So the message is Hari Hara, Hari. The God, the two forms are there, Narayana and Shiva. In Sanatana itself, someone is a Vaishnavite, someone is a Shaivite. And the Vaishnavite is not accepting the Shaivite, and Shaivite is not. Whereas they don't understand the Shunya, the God, the illumination, the Parabrahma, from there only the God created the physical form. And every physical form is to sustain us, to guide us, to help us. So Sambhav, only thing, the God is there inside. The illumination is here in the pineal gland. I told you, how will you locate the pineal gland? Put a stick here above the ear and take it out. And suppose, imagine one stick in the middle of the eyebrows and take it out. And where they are intersecting, just below the brain, is the pineal gland. And that is the seed of God. That is the seed of consciousness. He is there inside. Why you are running around, looking around? He is the one who is controlling. You have to reach to the source. Whenever you're not getting any answer, don't look around. Don't search here and there. Don't ask others. Learn to go inside. Sit down. Ask. Whenever you are restless and you want solace, peace, don't run around. Go inside. Be with the Mother Father. You will get a lot of peace.